Hey y'all, welcome to Pretty Simple Country Cooking. So tonight I am making Salisbury steak meatballs, mashed potatoes, and cream corn. And I thought I have never made a video of mashed potatoes. So I'm gonna show you how I make my easy homemade mashed potatoes tonight. So I have already cut up, peeled, and washed about 7 to 8. These were the yellow Idaho spuds, you know. They're the smaller ones. I use all different types of potatoes, but that's just what I had, and I wanted to use up what I had, okay? So the key to this, in my opinion, is to cut them up in the same size cubes. That way they cook evenly. I have them in water, and I find that they are at a good consistency that you can mash them up at about 10 minutes on high after they've been boiling. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what I do. So be right back after they boil. Okay guys, so I let these potatoes boil for about 10 minutes. I drained them and brought them back to the pot. And what I have done is melted a whole stick of butter. I'll pour that in. And the other thing, this is 1.5 cups of milk. I have to be honest, I don't normally measure it. So I know you guys are gonna ask, and I really can't tell you. I may not even use all this, but I'm just gonna start with a little bit. And I did warm it up. And these potatoes are warm. You wanna do it when it's warm. And you just start mashing. You can use a mixer if you want to, and I think that's kind of more like cream potatoes, but I like to have some chunks in mine. So just get real good and mixed up. Sorry for the noise. I don't think it's gonna need any more milk. There's probably about 1/2 cup left of milk in there. And this is do it to your liking. If you like it with more chunks, you don't have to mash it as much, or if you like it creamed, like I said, use a mixer. And then season it with salt and pepper to taste. I'm not gonna use a whole lot of salt. I'm not supposed to be having a lot of salt, so I'm not putting a lot in there. All right, and there you have it. Look at these creamy mashed potatoes. And it does have some chunks in it, and I like it that way. You don't even have to peel the potatoes all the way. Josh likes some peeling in it sometimes. So I wasn't being perfect when I made it. So let's try that. See if it needs some more salt. Let's see. Oh yeah, they're good. So, I'm not hating on boxed mashed potatoes because they're good. I know you can doctor them up, and sometimes they're good just right out of the box, but sometimes I feel like homemade is better. So, give it a try. Homemade mashed potatoes. Can't beat it. It's easy breezy. Like, love, comment, share, do all the things. And I'll be back next time. Until then, keep your eyes on Jesus and you're cooking pretty simple. Love you, bye.